Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video. Today I am joining the hashtag 2 crafters 1 design. That is Moe Creations, Melissa, UCYIMADIVA, it's Lisa, and Girlia's cards, which is Gloria. So each week they choose a theme, and then they share their cards on Saturday. And the theme this week was anything Easter. So I thought I'd join this time around because I had one more Easter card that I wanted to share with you all. So let me get started here. So in creating this card, I used the following. I used this super cute doily from Doodlebug. It's the mini paper doilies, and you get a ton in here. I also used the Spellbinders Color Essential Adhesive Gold Mix. These are crystals. And then one of my favorite things, as you can see, I'm almost out of, it's this little birdie design here. It's super cute. It's the natural little doily. And I also used these from Paper Studio, these little bows. You can see I'm out of them, so I need more. It's from Hobby Lobby. And then I also used my Label 5x7 Matting Basics dies from Spellbinders, the set A and the set B. So let's get started. Show you the super cute and really easy card that I made for Easter. So here's the card. I also used some paper. I think this paper, I can't remember where it's from. I only had a little bit of it. The yellow paper or the gold paper, that's from Spellbinders. And then you see the little bow that I was talking about that I didn't have anymore. And I thought this was a really cute card. Super simple, but I thought it was really sweet. So that's my card I'm sharing today. And once again, check out Moe Creations, UCYIMADIVA, and Girlia's cards for their entry into hashtag 2 crafters 1 design. And I want to thank them for having this wonderful collaboration. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.